Yeah. Do y'all remember that time I almost lost my mind? Well, I did. Twisted. Landon on the remix. Let's plug in. Yeah. There was something calm about that storm. Even my feelings bounced off the walls I'd formed. When I drifted way too far from care, I wasn't lost, I was nearly there. It ain't that I didn't know enough, I just thought too much. Does that make me off balance? Does that make me different? Does that make me human? Probably. I hope you're loving the ride you're on, but watch your steps before it's gone. Tell me, who are you when the lights cut low? Laugh if you must, let that ego go, go, go. Maybe I'm twisted, maybe I'm lifted, maybe I'm shifted, same as you. My heroes jumped and never looked back, risked it all just to feel intact. Since then I wanted that run, and I don't rest easy when it's done. Maybe I'm wired, maybe you're wired, maybe we're wired, yeah. Yeah, I'm twisted, honesty.